haven't made this salad in ages. It's controversial, but perfect for New Year's Eve. It's a salad with Chinese soup noodles and chicken. Looks great, tastes good. Jot down the recipe and make sure to try it at home. We need noodles from 2 Chinese soup packets. Crumble them, don't cook. Noodles soften from veggies and sauce. Add chicken fried with gyros seasoning. Add light part of leek, pickles, Chinese cabbage, 2 pressed garlic cloves, salt, pepper, 3 spoons mayo, 1 spoon sour cream. Mix it all. Chill for 2 hours so noodles absorb flavors and soften. Then it's ready to serve. I garnished with chives. It's done. Enjoy your meal.